Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about the PAL Labor Research Lab. And basically the way that this works is the higher you get each one of these research up, the more of a bonus you gain to the effectiveness of different types of activities inside of the base. You basically just get a passive buff. So in this case, by researching mining, we get an improved mining speed at the mining station by 15%, and research speed of mining is increased by 10%. We can go in here and we can load up a mining for expedition time -5, and then we can just go ahead and begin research. And all we have to do is have one of our pals sit here at this research station, researching this for, you know, basically the entirety of the 150,000 workload. And then we will have a bonus to how long it takes our pals to come back from the expedition station. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and get out my Sekhmet. And I'm not sure what Sekhmet's doing. Let's just grab you and put you where I actually want you to be. Alright, there we go. So now she's working on that, and then when she's done, that will give you a bonus to your mining. And there's a whole bunch of different categories. If you open this, there's handiwork. You can buff your handiwork, your kindling, which is things like smelting. You can buff your watering, which makes water-based machines go faster. Or you can water your crops faster. Planting just makes all of the crop-related stuff so much faster, along with some of the medicine mixing. So there's a whole bunch of stuff. There's electricity, lumberjacking, mining, cooling, medicine. So it's a good thing to constantly have something in here upgrading as long as you have the resources to do so. And when you want to unlock this, and the PAL Labor Research Lab is actually unlocked, I wouldn't say like super early, but fairly early on in the technology tree. It's here at level 19 over on the left-hand side. And it's the first thing you can unlock in this list of stuff, and that's what lets you constantly research things to make all of your pals have better and better buffs. Now, it does get a little bit expensive as you get further and further into some of the research. Like, which is the one we have the most research? Probably watering. And watering, you know, if you go down here, requires like 40 paldium, 5 civilization parts, 10 pal manuscripts. And then if you get like way down to the very bottom, this requires 70 manuscripts, 20 parts, 130 high quality pal oil, and 50 cryogenic coolant. So this stuff gets pretty steep after a while, but it also means that you have a really high level of free bonuses going around, so that if you want to get some stuff done inside of your base, you definitely can. So this has been me, your host Larry, telling you about how important the PAL Labor Research Lab is to making your base more efficient, and generally just boosting the pants off of it so that all your workers work way faster. And yeah, that'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye everybody, and have a good one.